we will be reviewing or demoing the new NikkieTutorial eyeshadow palette with Beauty Bay. This is it. I almost didn't review this eyeshadow palette because Beauty Bay messed up my order, okay? Like, they are the last people I would do any kind of transaction with, okay? I was like low-key disappointed, but anyways, it's here. As you can see, there's two-sided to this eyeshadow. This is like our happy side. It's colorful. I hate this lighting because it's not doing it justice. But yeah, unless I do this, you can't see it, but look how beautiful this is. And then this is the dark side of her life. So if you're interested in knowing how I achieve this and this eye look, please continue watching. So before anything, I had to prime my eyes, and I used the ABH Stark White Situation Eye Primer. I think this is the only shade that they have, so it's literally white because I need it to be colorful. It is such a beautiful color. So I was like, why don't I do like one side like something bright and then the other would be something like boring brown situation. So for this eye, maybe I should start with something colorful as the right side. I am going to start using the shade Zomer. Again, this is my first time reviewing it, so I'll try to be as honest and in-depth as possible. I'll let you know if there's any fallout, if there's like a blending issue. Okay, so Zomer have pretty decent fallout. So what I'm going to do is probably put a powder under because my base is really done. There's nothing to do. Oh my god. Okay. Zomer is this peach pink salmon color, so I'm going to put that all over my lid or my eyes. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, the crease edge is disgusting. I mean, it's not bad. Maybe I'm using the wrong brush. That's more like it. See, that was easy. That is a very beautiful color. Oh, yes, yes, yes. And then it is so easy to blend too, as you can see. Oh, yeah. That's very interesting. That is a beautiful formula. So I feel like I want to do all pink situation. I'm gonna go Barbie on you guys. Next up, I'm going to take Blend and Snap. That is supposed to be a pink shade. That is Blend and Snap. Right here. Okay, is this falling up? Why is this not blending? It gets chalky for some reason when I put Zomer on top of Blend. Okay, that is a very strange. Do you think I should change my brush? Maybe. But why is it sticking right there? That is such a weird thing. I don't think those pink shades like each other. It literally like clinged and it's not coming off. There is a problem. Let me use that same brush, okay? Blend and Snap and see what happens. Okay, not bad. I don't remember the last time I did a pink look on my channel. Like, I like pink, but not like super obsessively in love with pink, so. And then, okay, we're not mad at her. She kind of cute. And I'm going to add a red shade just in the crease though. I have to be careful because the red is hard to blend. I like the way Mika is applying on top of this two shades. I'm trying to keep it just in the crease, but the fallout is just doing its thing and it's coming all the way down there. Okay, and then on top of that, I'm going to use the shade Slasher, which is a purple matte eyeshadow. That is right here. Just to give it that depth like nothing else. I am kind of like shook. Like, honestly speaking, I was low-key disappointed as the way like Beauty Bay functioned in general, that I wasn't even going to like review this eyeshadow, because I had an early access, right? Whatever early access code, and I bought this eyeshadow before like it goes to like the general public, blah blah blah. I was like, okay, cool. Before it even launched, right? And then I even paid $15 for shipment. Okay, that's the level of excitement I was in to review this palette and to look at it and all that stuff. And then guess what? $15. If you pay $15 for shipment, it says that it will be here. Like, they said that you would get the eyeshadow in like 1 to 2 days, right? And then that's where the horror story happens. It says the product was dispatched, blah 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 blah. And guess what? I got stuck somewhere for a good 10 days. Okay? Really, 10 days. And at this moment I was like, what the hell? And then I would see, like, I'll go on Instagram and I see people who already got it, and I'm like, can I help you, right? Like, how did that even happen? But anyways, I went ahead and then I was like, yo, like, you said you were going to deliver this product in 1 to 2 days. I paid $15 for shipment, right? Because like, it just didn't even make sense that they would charge $15 when the whole eyeshadow cost $30. Who pays half of the price? Half of the price. But anyways, long story short, Beauty Bay kind of like low-key told me like, oh, we'll get there when it gets there. First time I was like, okay. And then the second time comes and I was like, yo, where's my product? Like, this is getting a little insane. And then I was like, give me my $15 back, because at this moment, like, you're not delivering anything that you claim you're going to. So I was like, no thank you, not cute. Never. I was thinking like, I'll never buy anything if they ever collaborate with anybody. And then they were like, oh yeah, okay, whatever, we'll give you a $15. So this thing came after like 12-13 days, and I had like no intention of reviewing it. I didn't even want to see it. It was sitting in the box, and today I was like, maybe I should just go ahead and play with it. So when I opened it, I was like, she's cute, she gorgeous. So yeah, that's why it took me like 95 years and a half to review it. Okay, I will clean this part, I promise that. So, I feel like I want to take the shade Aura right here using my finger, obviously, because I don't see the use of like using. Oh my god, it's like squishy, but it's so soft. Whoa. That is so pretty. That is a beautiful, when I say beautiful, beautiful shimmer. So I feel like Pride would be a beautiful color for the inner corner. Can you see this? This is such a beautiful eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use this as a base for now, okay? We don't know what we're doing, so just pack it. Okay, and then, so what we're going to do is just literally blend this with nothing on it. So now I'm going into the shade 5 AM right here. Okay, maybe we should just do a halo eye. How about that? Right? So for the middle part, I'm going to use Mr. Tutorial. God, it's so pretty. Like, she'll be killing it with the shimmers, I swear. Like, we're gonna fix her, don't worry. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I need to go back and find that brown shade again. 5 a.m. Kinda need to diffuse that crazy line because nobody got time to look like that. I know that for sure. Do you see that? Do we see that? Showing up to the party or no? And in a way it is, in a way it's not. Okay, so the only thing left to do is put in a corner highlights, and I'm going to use the shade Ivy right here, which is very excessively silverish color, but I like it. This is what the eyes are looking like so far. So what I'm going to do is dust off my face clearly, put some liner, put some eyelashes, and I'm going to be back, okay? BRB babes. Alright guys, this is what I'm currently looking like. I think the eyeshadow blended well. It is definitely super affordable because 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 eyeshadows for $30. So I know that this product is sold out, so I am so sorry about that, but I think I had to do a review. Hopefully some of you had a chance to get your hands on this beautiful palette. I promise you, you'll be seeing this eyeshadow palette in the future. This is a very beautiful, beautiful formula. I love the shimmers. I had a little bit of problem with Mikai and Slasher blending together. That's the purple and the red. I don't know if you're supposed to do that or not, but besides that, like, everything that I tried is very beautiful, and the shimmers are gorgeous. Okay, that is my final feedback on the Nikkie and Beauty Bay collaboration eyeshadow. This is a very beautiful pressed pigment palette. I know that this is a little colorful for some people, especially this side of the story, so that's why I did the pink eye. And then pink eye sounds like I had like an eye problem, right? And this is more like the dark like situation. The packaging is gorgeous, actually. It's really, really gorgeous, and she have a message in the back. I will not read it out loud, but it's signed Glow Baby as usual, XOXO. Yeah, this is it. This is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, be good, do